Okay, boys and girls, sorry, I had to do this in 2 videos because the other one had stopped. So we're gonna start where we left off with the 4, and we know that's in the tens place. Now we're not just gonna put 4, we're gonna expand it. So 4 tens would be how many ones? Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40. So it would be 40 pennies. So far we have 200 plus 40, which would be 240. And then we're gonna look at our ones place. We can't expand that anymore because it's already in its simplest form. So it would just be 4. So this would be expanded form. Okay, so now we did expanded form. We want to do word form. So, excuse me. For word form, we're just going to write it out. Just like when you write a story, you're putting it in words. We're going to put this in words. So we're going to go back to our labeling. We know we have 200, so we're going to write that out. 200 40 for E, 40. We know that long E at the end of a 2-syllable word, the Y makes a long E sound, 40. 240 dash 4. And this would be our word form. And there's a homophone. I know we've been talking about that in word work. For sounds the same, but it's not spelt the same. The other way is FOR, but that's for another time. We're in math. I get distracted sometimes. Okay, so we have done our expanded form, our word form, and our number form, which is also standard form. So that's what you're going to be doing today. You are going to need to count objects, and you're going to need to put them in groups of 10 and also see how many you have left over. Another thing I see they have you doing here is if you have this number and you were to count backwards by 1, what would you have? And it looks like they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. So it looks like they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, our number is 244. And if our rule is that we need to subtract by 1, well, if I'm looking at 244 and I need to take away a 1, I'm going to be looking in the ones place. And I know 4 take away 1 is 3. If I have 4 and I take away 1, I'm going to be left with 3. So 243. What's the next number? I bet you know. If you said 242, you would be correct because 3 take away 1 is 2. Then what would come next? 2 take away 1 would be 1. 241. We take that 1 away, we're left with 0. 240. Now this is where it gets tricky because you can't take 1 from 0, so you need to look at this as 40. If I have 40 and I take away 1, what am I left with? 39. 239. 9 take away 1 is 8. 238. And you can always check your work by starting here and counting up to see if it makes sense. 238, 239, 240, 241, 242, 243. That sounds right to me. Boys and girls, I hope this was helpful for you. I hope you're doing well. I miss you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.